here and here. Okay, between the digastrics right there, sort of under them, that's the mylohyoid.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? Now here, you have this one right here. That's the cleidomastoid, right there. Okay, this one right here, right there, sternomastoid. Okay, this one right here, sternohyoid.
Okay.
And this one too. There's a left and a right.
Okay.
Okay, sternohyoid. And then I peel that to the side, and you get this one right here. Okay, this one will be the sternothyroid.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then we go up here. And right there, I'm gonna clean that up a bit more so you can see it. But this is gonna be where your thyrohyoid is.
Thyrohyoid from the thyroid.
Okay.
That's the neck. Torso. Deltoid.
Clavodeltoid.
That one, yeah.
Okay.
Pecto
Antebrachialis here.
It's that thin one, right? Okay, Pecs. Okay, from the pecs to the
To the arm.
So which one is this? This deltoid and
This is the clavodeltoid. This is the pecta antebrachialis.
pectoralis major.
Pectoralis major here.
Minor,
Pectoralis minor here.
Xiphohumerales.
Xiphohumerales here.
First triangle, okay. Serratus anterior, the scissors. And there. Serratus anterior
Or ventralis.
and ventralis. Okay, clavotrapezius.
The trapezius, we have to look at the back side. Clavotrapezius would be up here in the neck.
Okay. Acromiotrapezius is that piece that we pulled back.
So either here or here. So it's this that will cover the scapula.
Okay, okay. Spinal trapezius.
That one right there.
Spinal trapezius. Latissimus dorsi.
Here,
Uh-huh.
all the way to the arm like this, or on this side, all this right here. So all this,
Oh, that's big.
really big.
Okay. External oblique.
So this one right here.
Okay. External oblique. Internal oblique? Below it?
Did you do which side? Both ears. Sorry. Both of these sides of yours can do with a little bit more dissection. So you can peel it back like that. This is the internal obliques. Right?
Which one was the external again? Covering it?
This one.
Oh, okay.
And
So
look
if you
at-
peel it back.
Look at hoodie pockets.
Oh.
Okay, and then this one
Take out the
underneath it
pockets. Yeah.
goes like this. See how it's different?
Oh. Okay, yeah. That's the internal obliques.
Mm-hmm.
External intercostals.
What about the rectus abdominis?
Oh. That's on
must
the
have
back
put it
side.
on the back.
Yeah.
You guys did a good job right there.
Rectus abdominis.
Rectus
Oh, that's easy to
abdominis.
see.
Yeah.
Okay. Rectus abdominis. External intercostals.
Did you guys do that dissection? Because it doesn't look like it.
Oh no, we couldn't find that one, remember?
Oh, well, you could.
that was the one that we spent like a whole bunch of time on.
Oh, we're waiting for him, huh?
You guys have a probe.
Oh, okay.
So to find the intercostals, you got to find ribs. Okay, so you see a rib there, a rib there. Notice that to see the ribs, you have to peel back the external obliques, or else
Okay.
you're not going to see the ribs at all. Okay, so rib here, rib here. Now, between the ribs, you should be able to take your probe and lift up a piece of muscle. That's your external obliques.
Between every rib?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. External. Okay. External.
Okay.
Internal.
I can't see it. I mean, I could see it there, but
Yeah, because there's still like a lot of connective
It's like a
tissue.
little pockets.
See that? All that. Okay, and then this down here, you see how these fibers are going like this?
Uh-huh.
Right, these ones are going like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the internal obliques here.
Okay.
Maybe you can see it clear better like that. See how you can see those striations now, and they're at an angle where these are like this. Okay, so these are the externals, those are the internals.
And then last but not least, rhomboideus.
Just like saying that word. Rhomboideus.
Rhomboideus. The cat still stuck me. These ones. These.
All that?
Yeah,
All of
all of it. This. And this.
Dang.
I mean, technically there's a major and minor,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
but we're not doing the major.
Okay, that makes sense.
This looks so weird now.
The eyes are drying out. The tongue's all dried out.
I cut it off.